Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit colors in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, via drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to start a new project, open from computer, and here you're going to find your template. Go ahead and click on new project. And then once you click on your project, you're going to be right here. So right here, you can choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And here you can choose the background. You can also choose a size for your image from here. So I'm going to go to screen and I'm going to choose this size. Once you do that, go ahead and click on create. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here, firstly, you need to add your image. So I'm going to click on file, then click on open, and then I'm going to choose an image from my computer. For example, this one. So basically, guys, once you add it, it's going to appear right here in your layers. Once you add your image, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your image. So right now, in order to change the colors of the image, you can click on the image and then go to filters. Once you go to filters right here, you're going to find all of the tools related to this image. You can also click on image right here. Then if you go to adjustments right here, you're going to find the option to change the brightness, levels, curves, exposure, vibrance, and right here, you're going to find the saturation. If you click on it right here, as you can see, guys, you can change easily the colors of the image. Once you finish, go ahead and click on OK, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.